Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting your data and ruling out simple causes. Back up now to iCloud or a PC. Once done, power cycle the phone and enter safe mode to disable third-party apps. Inspect the screen edge-to-edge for hairline cracks and feel for loose glass. Tiny debris can cause flicker. If you see physical damage, make sure to stop here and consider a repair option. Otherwise, proceed. This sequence separates software from hardware, so your next steps are targeted. You now focus on software that commonly causes flicker. Update the operating system and all apps, because outdated drivers or apps can conflict with display drivers. Then lower brightness, turn off adaptive brightness, and set the refresh rate to a stable value. Many panels misbehave at high rates. Run built-in diagnostics or a trusted test app to detect dead zones or PWM-related flicker. If an app or setting triggers the issue, uninstall or reset it. Otherwise, the fault is likely hard. You finish by addressing hardware issues or escalating professionally. Power off, remove the backplate if accessible, and reseat the display connector. Loose contacts often cause intermittent flicker. Replace a swollen battery or damaged display assembly. Make sure replacement parts match model specs. Reassemble and test at multiple brightness and refresh settings. If flicker persists, stop DIY, document symptoms, backups, and steps taken. Then take the phone to a certified repair center or the manufacturer to preserve warranty and ensure safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.